Hey guys! A warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to share the latest tech news about Google Chrome with you on my channel. Chrome is now furnishing an upgrade for Android clients that permits them to secure their incognito meetings with either a secret phrase or biometric information when they close the application. This alternative has been accessible for iOS clients for a while, yet now it is being made available for individuals utilizing Chrome on Android. Clients can empower this element by visiting Chrome Settings, Privacy and Security, and flipping on the Lock Incognito tabs when you close Chrome toggle. So when a client closes Chrome, their incognito session will consequently be bolted. To open the incognito tabs, they can utilize the biometric open on the telephone, for example, a unique mark open or lock code. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment if you like this video.